If you enjoy taking photos with your Samsung phone and you currently have either Android 14 or Android 15 on your Samsung, but you don't want your location to appear on the photos that you take, especially when sharing them online, they will have the location as to where the photos were taken. So here's where you can go to disable this location tags feature so that it won't show where you have taken the photos itself. So I'll close this out to get started. And basically, using the default camera app, your Samsung camera app here, once you go here, you'll see this section here like that. And you'll notice these little 4 round circles right here. Go ahead and tap on that one time. This is going to show you more options. One of them is the settings option here. And once you're here now, this is part of the camera settings. This is the layout of the One UI 7.0. If you have 6.0, it might be a bit different, but it would be the same settings you'll go to. So go down now and just keep going down here until you see location tags right there. And once you see add tags to your pictures or videos, you can turn that off so that from here on, when you are taking photos or videos with the camera app itself, it will not save the location or add location tags. And if this guide helped you out in any way, like and sub.